This is Sean Bui. It's in the key of C major, so no sharps or flats, and it is a jig, which is in 6/8 time. Sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the first part, the A part, we're going to start with a C major chord, so C, E, G, with the right hand. And then with the left hand, we're going to go G, E, G. And then the right hand, A, C, A. Left hand, that C major chord starting with G. Okay, right hand goes the C major chord starting with C. And then we go left, G, E, G. Right hand goes A, 2, 3, C, 5, 6. Okay? Then we start again with a C major chord, G, E, G, A, C, A, and then G, E, C. And we come up here to C, E, C. Left hand goes with the G major chord starting with D, B, G. And then we have A, 1, 2, 3, C, 4, 5, 6. That's the A part. And then the B part starts with right hand C, E, C. Left hand's going to outline a G major chord starting with the D, B, G. And then right hand A, C, A. Left hand C major chord starting on G. Right hand goes up to C, A, C, C, E, C again. Left hand outlines the G chord, and then we have A, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We start that again with the A, C, C, E, C. G major chord starting on D, and then A, C, A. C major chord, and then the right hand goes to the C major chord again. G, A, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that B part again goes like this. Whole piece again. Faster. So jigs are usually played at about 1:12 or so. This is an Irish tune, so a little faster. So let's take it up to tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and